Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Before we start today's review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and support the channel so you never miss updates about the latest bikes and cars that are actually made for people like us, practical, affordable, and reliable. Now, let's dive straight into today's ride, the brand new Honda CG150 New Model 2026. The Honda CG150 has been one of those motorcycles that earned legendary status in markets like Pakistan, Brazil, and across many other countries where middle-class buyers are looking for reliability above everything else. Year after year, this bike has proven itself as a solid companion, whether you're using it for daily commuting, long rides, or just as a workhorse that keeps going without demanding too much maintenance. And now, with the 2026 model, Honda has once again refreshed the formula without messing with its winning DNA. First things first, let's talk about the design. The new Honda CG150 looks sharper and more modern compared to previous generations. Honda gave it updated body panels, sleeker headlamp styling, and slightly sportier graphics that make it stand out on the road. The overall look is still simple, clean, and practical, but with just enough styling touches to make you feel that you're riding something current, not outdated. The fuel tank has a nice sculpted shape, giving it a muscular yet refined appearance, and the side covers are designed to complement the flow of the bike. Now moving on to the engine, which has always been the heart and soul of the CG series. The 2026 Honda CG150 comes with a 149.2cc air-cooled 4-stroke OHC single-cylinder engine. It produces around 12.5 horsepower and 13 Newton-meters of torque, which is more than enough for city rides and occasional highway run. Honda has focused on refining the engine for better fuel efficiency while keeping the power delivery smooth and linear. What's nice about this engine is that it strikes a great balance between performance and reliability. It doesn't scream like a sports bike engine, but it gives you consistent pull no matter if you're riding solo or carrying a passenger. The transmission is a 5-speed gearbox with smooth gear shifting, making it very user-friendly even for new riders. And thanks to Honda's work on vibrations, the 2026 model feels more refined compared to older ones, especially at mid-range speeds. One of the strongest points of the CG150 is its fuel efficiency. Honda knows its audience very well, and in the 2026 model, they've tuned the carburetor and combustion system to give you up to 45-50 kilometers per liter, depending on riding conditions. That means if you fill up the 13-liter fuel tank, you're easily looking at 500 Gyeong kilometers on a full tank, which is outstanding for a bike in this category. Now, let's talk about comfort and ride quality. The seat is redesigned with better cushioning, making it more comfortable for longer rides. The suspension setup includes a telescopic fork at the front and dual shocks at the rear, which are tuned to handle rough roads without making the ride too stiff. In markets like ours, where roads can be unpredictable, this suspension tuning makes a huge difference. The bike feels stable, absorbs bumps well, and doesn't throw you around when you hit potholes. The braking system is another area Honda has improved. The new CG150 now comes with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake setup. This combination gives you reliable stopping power, and the feel at the lever is confidence-inspiring. While it doesn't have ABS, because this bike is meant to stay affordable, the braking performance is still solid for its class. In terms of handling, the bike is light, nimble, and easy to maneuver in traffic. Its weight is around 122 kilograms, which makes it stable enough at higher speeds, but not too heavy to control in tight spaces. The 18-inch wheels with durable tires give good grip and confidence, whether you're riding on city streets or slightly rougher terrains. The instrument cluster has been modernized slightly. You still get the classic analog speedometer and odometer, but Honda has added a digital fuel gauge and trip meter for added convenience. It's a nice blend of old-school simplicity with a touch of modern functionality. The switchgear on the handlebar is also improved, with better tactile feel and durability. Now let's talk about something that really matters for riders, maintenance, and durability. The Honda CG150 has always been known as a bike you can run for years with minimal issues. Spare parts are widely available and affordable, and mechanics everywhere know how to work on it. The 2026 model continues that tradition, with Honda ensuring that the engine remains robust and easy to service. This is a bike that's built to last and designed to be a dependable partner for your daily life. For those of you who like to know the technical specifications in one place, here's a quick rundown. Engine: 149.2cc, 4-stroke, air-cooled, OHC, single cylinder, power 12.5 HP, torque 13 Nm, transmission 5-speed manual, fuel tank 13 liters, mileage 50 kilometers, front suspension, telescopic fork, rear suspension, twin shock absorbers, front brake, disc, rear brake, drum, wheels, 18-inch, curb weight, 122 kilogram. So overall, what do I think about the 2026 Honda CG 150? Honestly, this bike is exactly what you'd expect from Honda. Reliable, practical, fuel efficient, and easy to maintain. It's not flashy. It's not meant to be a performance monster, but it does its job so well that you can't help but appreciate it. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone who just needs a solid bike to depend on every single day, the CG 150 remains one of the best choices out there. Now, coming to the part everyone waits for, the price. The expected price of the 2026 Honda CG 150 is around $1,200 to $1,500 USD depending on the country and taxes. That makes it very reasonable for the value it offers, especially considering the reliability and long-term ownership benefits. So that's my full review of the 2026 Honda CG 150. It stays true to its roots but adds just enough improvements in design, comfort, and refinement to make it a strong contender for anyone looking for an affordable and dependable motorcycle. And once again, before we wrap this up, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We've got more reviews, comparisons, and updates coming your way, and your support means a lot. Ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next review.